Yuck. All right, I have the Byrna gun in my hand, or the Byrna pepper spray ball gun thing, and we're out here at Guns Blazing Ranch. I'm here with Bobby Blaze, and we're gonna prove how manly we are or how stupid we are, whichever way you decide to look at it. So we're gonna put the most potent pepper spray balls in this gun. We're gonna shoot them. We're gonna see what happens, and I'll let you open that while we're there, or while you're there, and we're gonna see how this goes. And we've got some friends of mine who've come in, and they're gonna join us for the excitement. You can see how thrilled they are. One of them's already crying, you can see, because he's so nervous about doing it.
The anticipation. All right.
Okay, so so you have the magazine, or we leave the magazine over?
He's got it in his pocket.
Oh, he's got the magazine in his pocket. Okay, all right. I'll let you load it up then. We got to figure out how the rules are we're going to do this. We'll all just stand next to each other on the line and fire away, and you can't run immediately.
You want what, 2?
Okay, let's throw a few. I'd say 4.
Yeah, if you shoot only 1 or 2, then that's
right,
fine.
that's right.
They'll
We'll just have spares for who knows what. Okay, all right. So this is, and what is this potency called, or what is this mixture called?
This is the Max Projectiles.
Okay.
It contains capsaicin and a tear gas.
You got to be up on the line with me. I need somebody to like tackle them down so they can't run away. All right. Okay. You ready? Okay. We're ready. We're gonna do this. We're gonna pop it off. We're gonna say. Yes. I know. I'm just gonna say, this is like, come on, what's going on now? We're gonna have to do this again. It's yuck. It's coming this way now. Oh. I thought I was gonna hold there for a minute. Oh man.
We all need some milk.
That took long. It took longer for the wind to get us that time, or the wind to come back. But I certainly wouldn't want to be the guy shot in the face. No, I'm not. I certainly wouldn't want to be the guy shot in the face with this thing. I feel my nose running and everything. All right. So Bobby, as we sit here and we choke and we vomit and everything, what other rounds could I put in this? Like, what other type of projectiles?
So they have kinetic rounds, which are just like a punch to the chest. They have tear gas. They have eco-kinetic, and they have pepper spray balls.
Okay,
so you have quite a variety.
So what did we use? We used the
we use the tear gas.
Tear gas. All right.
Which is why your eyes are watering.
Yes, and my nose feels like
your throat is tightening up.
All right. I want to thank Bobby. I want to thank Bobby for having me out here at Guns Blazing Ranch and letting us be able to do some fun and unusual things that, again, have my sinuses pouring out right now.
I had fun choking with you today.